Lesson 11. Use of in, on, under. Look and say. The students are in the bus. The bus is on the road. The woodpecker is in the hole. The bird is on the tree. The girl is under the tree. The cot is under the tree. The bird is on the cot. The cake is on the table. The cat is under the table. The boy is in the swimming pool. The girl is on the chair. Apples are on the tree. The man is under the tree.